For Karibu to today's setup, and this setup for today it's for Stori za Siasa, not Stori za City. Stori za Siasa on CTA, cleaning the airwaves. So just thought of, for those who care, who maybe want to know how I do the setup, lighting, camera, this is for you. For those who don't, it's okay. And it's a simple setup, nothing much, it's a quick one. So let's do this. So the first thing, okay, already set up, how the setup will look. And this is host seat, and this is the guest seat. And this is how it looks. So first thing, set up, it's a light. Lights, we have this Fortix 120. How we set it up. Have Amaran 200D. Nice and steady. This is the key light. Amaran. Make sure everything is tight. That's ready. So I'm thinking I should just put the camera first, and see how the setup is, how it's coming up. So what I have here, it's what do I have here? It's a Canon R6 Mark II and 70 to 200 Canon. Mirrorless glass. This is glass. Nice and easy. Tripod here already. So don't mind how it looks, because I had to move everything, rearrange everything in this space to create. So that's why there are things all over. The seats are there because you need a space for shooting, and needed to rearrange everything. So always make sure your tripod shoe, it's on the lens, because the lens is heavy, because when you put it here, then the lens is too heavy, inaweza, but for now, but what you need to do, put it on the lens, because it will be balanced. Tight. Now this is where I'll be seated. So this is how it looks so far. The lights. Let's add some lights. Let's say you didn't have lights, you have ambient lights from your house, and this is how it would look. So far, not sure how it looks because I can't see. I wish I had a monitor here to check. But this is how it looks. So if you didn't have light, this is how, if you're using your house lights or ambient light or lights that you have, this is how it looks. And now let's add our lights. Coming up nicely. Nicely. Oof. I wish I had a monitor and do some adjustment here. It's too bright. I'll definitely do some adjustment when the guest arrives. When the guest is seated to work on maybe reduce light or add light. But so far, this is how it looks. The backlight is to leave for LED. I'm dropping my gems. That's backlight. What does backlight do? Now backlight is separating me and the background. So far that's it. And what else do I need to explain? Okay, because do the background. Because definitely I have to, how do I say it? Because this light that is coming, natural light coming from out, it will change at some point because of when the sun, right now it's cloudy so there's no sun. So I think by the time, because these CTS shoots, they usually go around 4 hours, 6 hours, because today I don't know how many hours it will take, but at some point the sun will, because right now where I am, this is east, this is west. Right now the sun is on this side. When the sun goes setting west, it will be too much light coming from the background. So I just need to close the curtains and work with my lights and ambient lights. So just close it and you see. So this is how it looks. Let me bring you closer. Maybe here. What are you seeing? So this is how it looks. Ready for Stories of Siasa. So the background, what do I have in the background? This capilla here. Then there's a table. So there's a light, how do I call it? There's a light there that will light the table. Let me just switch it and you see the difference. So this is the main camera. Without that light, the background I think is kind of dark. And just add some light, kidogo light. Yep. And that's how it looks. Sound I'm using, Sennheiser's EW100. That is for the guest. And for Richie, I'm using the one I'm going to use, the one I'm using right now. Hey, Richie is here. So which DJI DJI, and this DJIs, I'll recommend these DJIs because they are recording internally. So this is a backup going to the camera, but there's also a backup here in case you miss the going to the camera. A backup recording internally. I think I'll recommend this for you guys if you want to buy a DJI, even if you're not going direct to the camera, it's just here. And you want to be, maybe you want someone else to monitor for you a sound, but you're on the camera, you can use DJI. I'll recommend this. They're best. I think you've had them so far when you're listening to Stori za Siasa. And that is my setup for today. I think it's all good. So Richie, kidogo request. You sit here, I do the lights, because I can't monitor while I'm seated here.
You sit.
Yes, you sit. So this is how it looks. Dark. Even though Richie is light. What do we start with? Key light. So far, that's how it looks. And add our lights, za nyumba. Yeah, fill light, I have fill lights there. Yeah, and add backlight. So you can notice without backlights how this side is dark. But when I add the light, I hope you're seeing what I'm saying. Yeah, you see? Those are two lights set up. You can work with it very well. Two light setup, so you don't need, if you are working one-man guitar, it's called it one-man guitar. You just don't have an assistant. You can use two lights and still have best lights. So like I said, this one has to be closed because of light, natural lights keep changing. So that's how it looks. And add two lights on our setup. Background, is it setup or what? Yeah, it has come to life. And you, my friend, that is how we do this this is what I do. So in case of you want to set up your podcast, this is what I do. I'm here. And this is a setup for Stori za Siasa. Subscribe, keep watching, and enjoy. That's it.
2, 1. So I'm back again, guys. And I hear a lot of you in your comments are wondering about the batteries. Don't worry. We are charging and recharging. We are back with Stori za Siasa. Come on board on all our platforms. Subscribe. Stay here. We will continue this conversation. We'll continue this narrative. We hope we're informing you. We hope we are growing your thought process. We hope we are helping you interrogate the political journey that is Kenya and where we've come from, where we are, and where we're going. Stay tuned. There's more coming.